Hello friends, welcome to Jeera and Vandana's kitchen. So today I am making my favorite snack recipe, that is Maharastrian style of chivada. You can even make bhel by using this chivada. So let's see what are the ingredients for making this. Take 500 grams of murmura, 20 to 30 curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of hing, 75 grams of roasted chana dal, 100 grams of peanut, 2 teaspoon of jeera and mustard, and all together 2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon of grinded sugar, 2 tablespoon of crushed garlic, and 3 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Keep one kadai on the stove and add 200 ml of oil. Once the oil has been heated, add tempering. Then add the peanuts. Now let's fry it until it turns golden brown. The peanuts are fried. Now we will add roasted chana dal. Stir it for a minute. Then add the curry leaves. And then the crushed garlic till the garlic becomes golden in color. Let's go to our murmura. I have added chili powder, salt, sugar powder, and turmeric powder. See, our garlic turned a little golden. When the garlic turns golden, it will become crispy. Finally, add hing to it and then stir it. In this stage, add the masala into the murmura and mix it well. You should mix the masala until it reaches everywhere. I have mixed it well. See, our Maharastrian style chivada is ready. Garnish the chivada with some mixture and bundi. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.